बसा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है. Let us invoke the blessing of the Almighty to guide us and enlighten our path. So for the prayer, I would like to hand over the mic to our school's head boy, Master Sumam Singh, and our head boy, Suhani Nisar.
Teachers and all my dear friends. Today, we proudly celebrate 77th Republic Day, the day when our Constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950. This great day reminds us that India is the land of unity, freedom and democracy. We remember the brave freedom fighters and leaders who sacrificed their lives to give us a strong and independent nation. Their hard work and courage inspire us to be better citizens every day. As students and young citizens, it is our duty to respect our nation, follow our rules, and help others. Let us promise to work hard, stay honest, and contribute to the progress of the nation. Thank you, Jai Hind,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू. ऐ वतन मेरे वतन. तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से. ओह तू भी जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू. ऐ वतन मेरे वतन. को लहू से अपने सींचा है, उन्नत तेरी और नहीं कुछ स्वप्नों का बगीचा है. धन्य धरा है तेरी जिसने जन्म दिया उन वीरों को, जिन्होंने अपना लहू बहाकर लिखा तेरी तकदीरों को. सुप्रभात सभी को. आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, सभी शिक्षकगण और यहाँ उपस्थित मेरे देशवासियों, आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. आज हम यहाँ अपने देश का 77वां गणतंत्र दिवस मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं. 26 जनवरी 1950 को हमारे देश का संविधान लागू हुआ था, जिसने हमारे देश को एक पूर्ण गणतंत्र बनाया. यह दिन हमें याद दिलाता है कि हम एक ऐसे देश के नागरिक हैं जहाँ कानून का शासन है और सभी नागरिकों को समानता का अधिकार है.
A very happy, enthusiastic 77th Republic Day morning. As you know that our nation today is celebrating in front of the unfold flag the nation's republic which we achieved 77 years back. On this occasion, it is our responsibility to remember the person one who has designed and drafted well-mannered to accept all over the nation our Indian Constitution, stand in the top and higher version among other world as well as world constitutions. It's our responsibility to keep up the ingredients, the inner thought, the center theme of the institutions wherever we are. At the same time, it's our responsibility to remember the people, those who lost their lives, wealth, everything to achieve this freedom as well as republic such a manner. We are the beneficiaries here. But our forefathers, the very good people, really, it's our responsibility to remember and to salute them, their personal lives and commitment towards this nation. As you know that in the past, we Indians, of course from the poverty to reach out such a summit, we have faced a lot, it's true. Unity in the diversity is the main essence of our constitution. As you know that India is the only one nation. We were having more than 100 nations. Even today, it was more before. Few languages are adopting with other languages and summarizing a few lists, such a manner it goes right now. But at the same time, various culture, various traditions, various faith, still the center essence, main essence of our constitution is that to accept others. There was a girl, one who was born in Odisha, and she was from low caste, and her caste itself, her tradition itself denied her better education. But she is at very young stage, she realized that without education cannot bring any changes in my life as well as my society. And she started to cross over the boundary of her own village. And at that time, people, the tradition made society started to criticize her. Why she has such an Adivasi girl wishing to complete her study. She didn't stop her quest to complete her studies. She cleared 10th standard, junior college, then degree, and again the quest, unquenched thirst, she did not stop there. You know, her name is, you know that whom, about whom I am sharing right now. Draupadi Murmu is none other than our president of this nation. So this morning I would like to urge you to find out your place and to grow yourself and allow others also to grow and also to reach out to the needy people at any extent in your futuristic view. That's all. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the principal of the school for giving us inspiring thoughts and his words to encourage us on this auspicious occasion. And thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. And I would like to thank all the teachers and the students, those who are gathered over here. And thank you so much for your valuable time, and thank you for your participation. And last, I would like to express once again and wish you a happy Republic Day. Thank you.
मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है मेरा तुझे है पुकारा ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता ये जो देश है
नन्ना मुन्ना रानी देश का सिपाही बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद नन्ना मुन्ना रानी देश का सिपाही बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद रास्ते पे चलूंगा ना डर डर के चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के मंजिल से पहले न रुका कहीं आगे ही आगे बढ़ूंगा नन्ना मुन्ना रानी देश का सिपाही बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद
सदी से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर